Good morning! So for today's lesson, ito po yung continuation or this is the other method in solving quadratic equation by completing the square, right? So another method of solving quadratic equation is completing the square. This method works whether the equation can be factored or not. The main task in using this method is to produce a perfect square trinomial or PST on the left side of the quadratic equation. Then, use the square root property to solve the equation. Right? So, yung completing the square, it is a combination of factoring and extracting square root. Okay? So, para mas lalong maintindihan, proceed po tayo sa example. Okay? Ano ba yung ibig sabihin ng perfect square trinomial? Kung paano ba kunin yung PST. Right? So, proceed tayo sa example. Okay, so I have here 5 example. So determine the constant terms that should be added to each expression to make it a perfect square trinomial. Then factor the resulting trinomial. Alright? So example number 1. Sa example number 1, we have x squared plus 4x. So paano nga ba natin gagawin paano natin gagawing perfect square trinomial yung x squared plus 4x. Take note, nakalagay sa instruction natin is mag-a-add po tayo ng constant term dito sa expression na to para maging perfect square. Okay, maging perfect square trinomial. So actually class, may technique ako dyan or may formula akong ginagamit dyan. Ito po yung formula ang gagamitin natin. So dito ko na lang po isusulat So PST formula, ito po yung ginagamit ko para makuha yung PST. So b over 2 raised to 2. Okay? So, bali ito yung formula ang gagamitin natin. So, identify lang natin. Alam naman natin, no, kasi natakal natin doon sa introduction ng quadratic equation. Yung quadratic term, ito po yung A. Yung 4x, yung linear term, ito po yung B, yung 4. And then yung C, constant term. So, this time, si constant po yung hinahanap. Alright? So, again, using this formula, substitution. So, sulat ulit natin dito, B over 2 squared. So again, yung b natin is positive 4 over 2 raised to 2. Again, substitution na. Next, divide lang po natin. 4 divided by 2, that is 2 raised to 2. Then simplify. 2 raised to 2, that is equivalent to 4. Right? So yung i-add natin constant term para maging perfect square, yung expression na to is positive 4. Okay? So nag-add po tayo ng positive 4 kasi ito po yung lumabas sa solving natin. Right? So as you can see here class, perfect square trinomial lang po yung expression na to. Okay? Kapag na-execute natin ng tama, nakuha natin yung constant na kailangang i-add, proceed po tayo sa pagkuha ng factors. Right? So, factor na po natin yung x squared plus 4x plus 4. Right? So, sulat lang po natin ulit yung expression. So, we have x squared plus 4x plus 4. So, sa factoring, siguro okay na sa inyo to, no? Kasi, natakal naman na natin to dun sa previous lesson. Right? So, yung concept natin is kukunin lang po natin yung factor ng 4 na kapag pinag-add, positive 4 yung result. So, obviously, yung factor ng 4 is 2 times 2, no? Na kapag pinag-add is positive 4. So, therefore, yung factor form na ito is x plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Okay? So, ito na po yung factor form ng expression na x squared plus 4x plus 4. Okay? X plus 2 times the quantity of x plus 2. Ito na po yung final answer. Okay? Right. So, proceed tayo sa example number 2. Okay. So, proceed tayo sa example number 2. Yung expression na given dito is m squared minus 6m. So, again, yung m squared is the quadratic term A. And then, yung linear term natin na negative 6m. Yung negative 6, that is B. Okay? Again, constant pa rin po yung hinahanap, yung C. Right? So, using this formula, B over 2 squared, so, makukuha po natin yung constant term na i-add para maging perfect square. Again, B over 2 raised to 2. Substitution, again, yung B natin is negative 6 over 2 raised to 3. Sorry, raised to 2 rather. And negative 6 divided by 2, negative 3 raised to 2. And obviously, negative 3 raised to 2 or negative 3 times negative 3, that is positive 9. Right? So yung constant na i-add natin para maging perfect square trinomial, yung expression natin is positive 9. Okay? Ayan. So next, goal natin is kunin yung factors ng expression na to, m squared minus 6m plus 9. Right? So ito po yung solution. Right? Again, yung expression natin is m squared minus 6m plus 9. So, same procedure, kunin po natin yung factor ng constant term na kapag pinag-add negative 6 yung result. So, obviously, negative 3 and negative 3 po yung factor na kailangan natin. Right? Kasi negative 3 times negative 3, positive 9. Negative 3 plus negative 3, negative 6. So, bali yung factor natin dito is m minus 3 times the quantity of m minus 3. So, ito na po yung final answer. Right? Again, positive 9 and then yung factor form x minus 3 times the quantity of m minus 3. Right? Okay, so proceed tayo sa next example. Okay, next example, x squared minus 8x. Again, using this formula. So, bale yung constant na i-add natin dyan, again, negative 8 raised over 2 raised to 2. It is negative 4 raised to 2. So, bale 16. So, mag-a-add po tayo dito sa expression na to ng 16. Okay? Next is, kukunin po natin yung factor. Again, sa pagkuha ng factor, ito lang po yung goal natin. Yung 16, kukunin po natin yung factors ng 16 na kapag pinag-add yung dalawang number na yun, yung result is negative 8. So, that is negative 4, negative 4. Okay, again, negative 4 times negative 4, positive 16. Negative 4 plus negative 4, negative 8. Okay, so bali x minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 4. So, ito na po yung factor na kailangan natin. Okay, x minus 4 times the quantity of x minus 4. Okay, next example. Okay, so next example, z squared minus z. Okay, so same concept. Again, using this formula. Again, this time yung b natin is negative 1. So, negative 1 over 2 raised to 2. And we all know that negative 1 half raised to 2, that is positive 1/4. Okay? So, mag-add mo tayo dito sa expression na to ng 1/4. Okay? Yan, 1/4. Next, kukunin po natin yung factor ng expression na to. Z squared minus z plus 1/4. Again, same concept. Kukunin po natin yung factors ng 1/4 na kapag pinag-add yung result is negative 1. So, obviously, yung factor lang naman ng 1/4, positive 1/4 is negative 1/2 multiplied by negative 1/2. Okay, so bali yung factor natin dyan, x minus 1/2 times the quantity of x minus 1/2. Okay, so ito na po yung factor natin. Okay, so instead of using x, kasi nga pala yung variable na ginamit natin is z, so gagamit po tayo ng z. Okay, ayan. Kung ano po yung ginamit nating variable, ayun din po yung gagamitin natin sa pagkuha ng factor, right? So, bali yung factor form natin is, eto po, z minus 1/2 times the quantity of z minus 1/2. Okay? Okay, for number 5, x squared minus 20x. Again, b over 2 squared. So, bali, negative 20 divided by 2 raised to 2, that is negative 10 raised to 2, kasi negative 20 divided by 2, negative 10. And negative 10 raised to 2, positive 100. So, mag-a-add po tayo dito sa expression na to ng 100. Okay? Next, kukunin po natin yung factor. Okay? So, same concept, kukunin po natin yung factors ng 100 na kapag pinag-add yung result is negative 20. So, obviously, that is negative 10, negative 10. Okay? So, bali yung factor natin is x minus 10 times the quantity of x minus 10. Okay? So, ito na po yung sagot. Right? So, ito po yung solution. So, bali ganito po yung way kung paano gawing perfect square trinomial yung isang expression using this formula. Okay po? B of the quantity of b over 2 raised to 2. Alright? So, proceed tayo dun sa mismong pag-solve ng quadratic equation using completing the square. Okay? So this time, apply na po natin yung concept ng perfect square trinomial sa pag-solve ng quadratic equation by completing the square. Okay, so first example, we have x squared plus 12x minus 13 equals 0. Okay, so again, yung goal natin dito is kunin po natin yung perfect square trinomial nung expression na to. Okay, yung x squared plus 12x. So, ano pong gagawin namin kay negative 13? So, lipat na po natin dito sa may right side using APE. Okay, so add lang po tayo ng positive 13 both side of the equation. So, bali magiging bagong equation natin is x squared plus 12x equals 13. Okay, now, apply po natin yung concept ng PST dito sa expression na to. Okay, so again, using this formula, the quantity of b over 2 raised to 2. Okay, so ano po yung constant term na i-add natin dito sa equation na to para maging perfect square trinomial? So obviously, di ba? So again, yung b natin is 12. So 12 over 2 raised to 2. So that is 36, no? 36 is 12 divided by 2, that is 6. And 60 raised to 2, 36. So this time, add po tayo ng 36 both side of the equation. Okay? Kung ano po yung in-add nating constant term dito sa left side ng equation, ganun din po yung i-add natin dito sa may right side. Okay? So ganun po yung concept ng completing the square. So now, perfect square trinomial lang po ito. So kunin na po natin yung factor ng x squared plus 12x plus 36. Okay? Again, yung factor ng equation na to is, again, yung 36, factor ng 36 is 6 and 6 kasi kapag pinag-add to, positive 12 yung result. Okay? So, bali, x plus 6 times the quantity of x plus 6. And then, yung nasa right side ng equation, add lang po natin yan. Okay? 13 plus 36, that is equivalent to 49. Okay? Right. Next, though naka-expanded form to, pwede natin siyang isulat as exponential form. Okay? So as you can see here, class, same lang sila ng factor. So pwede natin siyang isulat na ganito. X plus 6 raised to 2 equals 49. Okay? So sinulat ko lang kasi same sila ng factor. So ginawa ko lang siyang exponential form. Okay? Now, ano po yung next step, sir? Kapag nandito na kami, okay, sa form na to, all you need to do is to take the square root both side. Okay? Again, kapag ganito na po yung expression or equation ninyo, square root na lang both side. Okay, square root both side. Okay? So kapag in-square po natin yan, taas na po natin yung konti. Okay? So, bali magiging cancel na po yung 2 and then yung radical sign. So, bali matitira na lang po dito is x plus 6 and then sa kabila is positive, negative 7. Kasi square ng 49 is positive, negative 7. Now, sir, ano po yung next step? So, kapag ganito na class, equate into 0. Okay, this time, dahil x plus 6 yan, and then may positive, negative 7 dito, so bali ganito lang po yung procedure. X plus 6 equals 7, and then yung isa naman, x plus 6 equals negative 7. Take note, yung positive 7 dito, kasi dalawa yung value ng 7 dito, positive and negative, right? So dito sa una, ginamit ko yung positive 7. Dito sa pangalawa, ginamit ko naman po yung negative 7. Okay, so using APE, so this time, subtract lang po tayo ng 6 both side of the equation. Dito naman sa kabila, negative 6 naman. Okay, negative 6 din. Okay, para goal natin is ma-eliminate yung positive 6. Okay, so bali, x equals 7 minus 6, 1. Diba? So, ito 6 minus 6, 0 na yan. So, cancel na natin, eliminate na natin para hindi kayo malito. Again, 7 minus 6, 1. Same din dito, x equals, again, 6 minus 6, 0 na yan. And negative 7 plus negative 6, so that is negative 13. So, bali, yung solution natin dito is positive 1, and negative 13. Okay? So, ganun po yung pagkuha ng solution or pag-solve ng quadratic equation using or by completing the square. Okay? Ayan. Again, ganito po yun. Okay? Yung kabuang solution natin. Okay po? Ayan. Okay, so proceed po tayo sa example number 2. Okay, example number 2. X squared minus 2x minus 8 equals 0. So, same concept. Using APE, lipat po natin yung negative 8. So, mag-add po tayo ng 8 both side of the equation. So, bali magiging equation natin dito is x squared minus 2x minus 8. Sorry. Lipat na nga pala yung 8. Equals 8. Okay? Eliminated na po ito kasi negative 8 plus 8, 0 na po yan. Okay? Now, apply po natin yung concept ng PST dito. Again, using b over 2 squared. So, bali magiging sagot dito is x squared minus 2x. Again, pakita po natin yung solution. Again, b over 2 raised to 2. So, bali, yung b natin is negative 2 over 2 raised to 2. So, yung result is positive 1. Okay? So, add po tayo both side of the equation ng positive 1. So, plus 1 equals 8 plus 1. Okay? So, ganun po yung concept, right? So, perfect square trinomial na po ito. So, bali yung factor neto is, again, kukunin po natin yung factor ng 1 na kapag pinag-add is negative 2. So, that is negative 1, negative 1. So, bali yung factor neto is x minus 1 times the quantity of x minus 1. Equals, add lang po natin, 8 plus 1 is 9. Okay? So, kagaya ng sinabi ko kanina, same lang po sila ng factors. So, pwede na po natin isulat na ganito. X minus 1 raised to 2 equals 9. Okay? Next step is square root both side. So, bali cancel na po yung 2 and then yung radical sign. So, matitira na lang dito is x minus 1 equals square root of 9, that is positive negative 3. Okay? Positive negative 3. So, next, x plus x minus 1 equals, this time gamitin muna natin yung positive 3, and dito sa kabila, x minus 1 equals negative 3. Okay? So, using APE, so bali plus 1, plus 1, plus 1, plus 1. So, simplify na natin. So, bali x equals, kasi negative 1 plus 1, 0 na yan. So, 3 plus 1, 4. Okay? Dito naman, x equals negative 3 plus 1, negative 2. So, bali yung solution natin is positive 4 and negative 2. Okay? Ayan po yung sagot sa example number 2. Again, ito po yung, ito po yung step-by-step solution sa example number 2. Right? Okay. So, next example. Okay, for example number 3, so last example, x squared minus 6x minus 7 equals 0. So, same concept using APE. So, plus 7, plus 7. So, bali magiging bagong equation natin is x squared minus 6x equals 7. Okay? Again, gagawin po natin perfect square trinomial yung expression na to, equation na to, using this formula. So, bali yung b natin is negative 6 over 2 raised to 2. So, that is negative 3 raised to 2 positive 9. Okay? So, this time, mag-add po tayo both side of the equation ng positive 9. So, next, factor lang po natin to. Yung factor po ng 9 na kapag pinag-add is negative 6. So, that is negative 3, negative 3. Okay? So, bali yung factor is x minus 3 times the quantity of x minus 3 equals 7 plus 9, 16. Okay? Again, same lang po sila ng factor. So, pwede po natin isulat na ganito yan. X minus 3 raised to 2 equals 16. Take note, kapag may exponent yan, square po natin both side of the equation. So, eliminated na po yung 2 and then yung radical sign. Matitira po dito is x minus 3 equals square root of 16, that is positive negative 4. Okay? So, nakuha na po natin yan. So, equate into 0. So, bali x minus 3 equals 4. Then x minus 3 equals negative 4. Again, positive 4, negative 4. Okay? So using APE, so plus 3 lang po tayo, both side of the equation. So simplify. So x equals, cancel na to, eliminated na yan. So 4 plus 3, 7. Then sa right side, negative 4 plus 3, negative 1. So bali yung solution natin is positive 7, negative 1. Okay? So ganito po yung solution. Again, ito po yung step-by-step solution sa example number 3. Okay? So, hanggang dito na lang class yung discussion natin. I hope you learned something today. That's all for today. Thank you and have a great day. Okay? Thank you.